your group comes to the Ladybug, and we have decided as a class that you have met all mission tasks completed, you will hit the magic button. And if you have completed the mission, your escape sounds like this. If you have not completed all tasks, your mission failed sounds like this.
It should be correct.
I know. It's cool, but success, mission incomplete. Any questions? All right, so I am totally going to need your help here. This is where your feedback comes in from group to group to group. You've got to listen to their presentation. We are going to ask questions. We are going to have them show us what they mean. I will start with, let's see, Brooks group. Come on up.
We figured out an array and we got 8 times 6 equals 48. And then we split them up and did addition and did 24 plus 24 equals 48. And for our dividing problem, 8 times 6 equals 48, we did 48 divided by 8 equals 6. And then we had another strategy which we flip-flopped with 8 times 6. We did 6 times 8 equals 48, and 48 divided by 6 equals 8.
Okay, can I help you with this real quick so we can all see it? Excuse me. Let's figure this out. Let's move this up just a little bit. Okay, did you start on this side? There you go. Oh, you had 2 pages. Was it yours?
We were trying to finish this array and see if we had enough.
Okay, they are trying to finish this array.
This is where we are showing 8 times 6 equals 48 on our paper. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom. And we counted them all and we had 48.
Okay, so I think what we hear you saying is what 2 factors in that problem made 48? Oh.
8 and 6.
8 and 6. Do I have some agreement out there? Okay, so 8 and 6. Does any other group have the exact same equation? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Okay. All right. Is there anything else you would like to share with us?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you go back to your other equations? So there their equation is 8 groups of 6 equals 48. What did they do here?
They divided.
They divided.
They flip-flopped it.
That's a flip-flop?
Mm-mm.
Kind of.
How is it, how kind of?
Because they use the same numbers, but they're in different orders, and they used a different symbol of math.
So is that flip-flopping?
No. It's using a different type.
It's using both back. I'm sorry. It's used. They had the same fact family.
It is the same fact family. It is the same fact family. They changed operations. What else? What other do we see? We see the commutative property. What about this? How is this different than anything else you've seen?
It's a different operation.
Aiden, how is this different than this? Can we, are you seeing that we can what? We can use repeated addition. Is there a relationship there? And remember, I said, not the kind like you go to the movies and your date buys you popcorn. Not that kind of relationship. Is there a relationship between those numbers?
Repeated addition is multiplication.
Repeated addition is multiplication. Okay, so I see equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had another one. You had 24 plus 24 on the back, didn't you? Okay. 24. And what other factors did we see? Turn it back over to the beginning. What other factors do we have right here? What else are they using? Turn to your neighbor. Talk with your neighbor. What other numbers do you see that maybe we could put right here? Class?
Yes.
Who would like to share what other factors they're using?
They are using 12s.
They use 12s.
They use 24.
They use 24. Did they... Let's see. If repeated addition is multiplication, what... Is there something else we need to know right here? Can I just say 12?
No. 12 times.
12 what?
12 4 times.
12 4 times. So could we say that 12 and 4 are a factor of, or factors of 48?
Yes.
All right.
If you say multiplication, if you do multiplication.
Okay, and then we can also, I heard you say what?
They're doing repeated addition.
Okay, and what did they do that with?
12s.
That's not what you said originally. That's not the number you gave me.
24. 24.
Yeah, 24. How many times did we repeat it?
2.
Okay. Now, are these factors similar to something else you see in your escape? Okay, guys, bring your papers. Come on up. Come right here. This is how you learn whether you escaped or not. Okay, ready? Group together. Nope, group together. What's this? Get in a group. Get in a group. Get in a group. Hands out. Oh, let Brooke in. Let Brooke in. All hands together because you're a team. Ready? Close your eyes. On the count of 3, you're going to go down and you're going to push a magic button. You know what sound you're listening for, right? Okay, keep your eyes closed. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Close escape. The array on the back page saved you. Excellent job. I can't wait to see your feedback. Shaylin's group, let's go.
Oh. That way. Sure. So what we did was we made a 8 times 6 multiplication sentence, and we wound it up to 84 as our product. Then
84?
you moved 48.
Okay.
Yeah, and then opposite way. And then we had a little help from Miss Patterson, and we made a different one because, as you can see, for our second one, it's basically the same thing, except we put the numbers in different order. So we made the bottom one. We were going to make the bottom one until the time ran out as 12 groups of 4, which would equal 48. But we did not finish that one.
So you were working to finish this array of 12 groups of 4, but you did not have time to
finish it.
Right when you missed it, we were about to write the last one.
Are there factors similar to the ones we've already seen?
Yes.
Yes. Do you see a difference in this array and this array? What is the difference?
I can see that from those the first 2 arrays that the first one has much more higher than the second.
Are you talking about the actual drawing? Okay. Are the factors different?
Well, yes.
No.
Oh, we've got some disagreement. Who says they're not different? Madison, why do you say they're not different?
Because they have the same numbers and everything else is the same. They just put them in different places.
Okay, so Madison says the problems have the same numbers. The same exact factors, they're just in different order. Emma, do you have something you'd like to add? Oh, one's vertical, one's going horizontal. So would my tile floor look a little different, or would it look the same?
Look a little different.
The model might look a little different, but are the factors the exact same?
Yes.
Who said no?
Revis.
Are your factors the same?
No.
Okay, come show me how you, come show me.
8 times 8 is not the same.
8 times 8, where do you see 8 times 8?
That's 8 times 6.
That's 8 times
That's
6.
6. Oh. You're just, it's tough writing. It's tough writing. You're right. If it was 8 times 8, you would be correct. But